Ajit. Welcome to our Hustler Stories. So, where are you from? Like, which part of India?
I belong to Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, tell us a little more about Green Innovation. Is it Green Innovation Club and made Green Innovation? So, what is that
Yes.
startup? And what is your role in the startup? And a little bit about all of that.
Yes, absolutely right. Uh, Green plus innovations. So Green Innovations is all about that itself. So Green Innovations basically aims to a complete, you can say greenery stuff. Like we are looking forward to make India a plastic free or and a healthier country. So for that, we are working on a couple of range of products. So we are basically at point of time we are positioning ourselves as a marketplace. But in coming years of time down the line, we'll be positioning ourselves as a lifestyle brand.
Correct.
So when I say it's a lifestyle brand, so it includes everything and anything that falls under lifestyle, right? So
Okay.
how renovations makes a difference? Because difference is very simple. We are in a note to give 100% to all our customers, anyone in this earth, to get a complete range of eco-friendly products or organic products.
Okay.
For example, if I throw a question to you, what's the first thing that you do when you wake up? Then what should
Brush.
be your answer, Sangeeta?
Brush my
Brush.
teeth.
Very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, but so we have a bamboo toothbrush, which is not at all new in the market. It's a quite old product these days. But yes, we do have that product called bamboo toothbrush. We have a bamboo tongue cleaner to add on to it. After that, after taking your brush, you definitely go for a shower. So being a girl, after coming from the shower, the first thing again you do is that comb your hair, right?
Yeah.
So we have neem wood combs for
Wow.
that.
Okay. Okay.
So after that, they generally the young generation, youth generation goes out for office. So for them, we have a different range again. As these days, the corporates are evolving, the corporates are changing. They have a very much inclination towards casual wear, smart casual
Yeah.
wear. So
Yeah.
basically, in future, there is already in pipeline by March or by April 2022, we will be launching our T-shirts.
Wow.
Those
Okay.
T-shirts are these T-shirts are specifically designed and made out of bamboo.
Wow. That is very innovative. Not heard of it.
And the piece, this is something which is not we design or we manufacture. We aggregate this
Okay.
T-shirt,
Okay.
and yeah, because manufacturing, getting into manufacturing will
Yeah.
again may divert us. So that's
Yeah.
why we aggregate this thing. So
Right.
we have a couple range of products in bamboo textiles. Basically,
Okay.
we have towels which should help
Mm-hmm.
you to get a shower.
Yeah.
We have a T-shirt made out of bamboo. We
Okay.
have socks made out of bamboo. And the best
Wow.
part is these are more comfort. These are 100 times more comfortable than cotton.
Correct.
We are
Okay.
using this. We are using this product since last 9 months, and we are absolutely happy with the product.
Okay.
And
Interesting.
the second benefit of this product is that these are antibacterial.
Okay.
So you are going to be completely immune that you are not going to affect with bacteria.
Got it.
Okay.
Interesting. Really interesting
So
product. Yeah.
that falls into textile stuff. Then once you reach down your workspace, so you'd be needing a pen, right? To note down,
Okay.
to jot down points and figures, to plan down your day.
Yeah.
Although Siri helps lots of people these days in doing that, but still people are addicted to their pen and
Yeah.
paper
Yeah.
stuff.
It's habit.
So
Yeah.
so so we have designed pens. Those are made out of a waste paper,
Okay. Wow.
and those panes are plantable again. Once the use of pane is over, you can simply go and plant it somewhere. It will turn into a beautiful plant.
Okay. Okay. So you're saying more all your products are sustainable and eco-friendly,
Absolutely, absolutely.
right?
So
That
once,
is, yeah.
and the notebook you'd use, the notebook which you would be using to note down your days, the however of the day, the targets of the day, or the numbers of the day, how would you run? So though that notebook is also made out of a waste papers and plantable cover. The notebook का cover जो होता है, it's a plantable वाला stuff. And keeping that aside, the next range is like the next thing which you need in the office is a cup of coffee. So trust me, the coffee mug which we like actually this again this is not a manufacturer. We aggregate this product as well. This coffee mug is made out of coffee waste, coffee grounds.
Wow. So
Yep.
authentic.
This coffee
Yeah.
mug, yes, this is made of coffee waste. This is break free. You throw it from a 10th floor building, you throw it from a 19th floor building, it is not going to break.
Wow, interesting.
Right. So that is
Yeah,
again a crop waste product. That's again a crop
got it.
waste product. Yeah. So definitely once your office work is over, you will drive down to your home, and while driving down to your home, definitely in your car you would need something where because आज के date पे ना everyone spends lot of time in car, right? We spend a lot of time in the car, but we don't find proper space in car to keep our things or our daily needs product because car
Okay.
में इतना space होता नहीं है, right?
Yeah.
So sorry for the disturbance. So
No worries.
basically, we are developing a car organizer set. This is a combination of three different products. The first one will be a car organizer just behind your seat of the driver's seat, and there will be 18 pockets to put your laptop, to put your phone, to put your water bottle, everything,
Mm-hmm.
notepad, pen, everything.
Okay.
And that cover on which it will be done, it is made out of plastic waste fabric.
Okay.
Again, plastic waste fabric is a big range of products we carry because we make bags, carry bags, handbags, laptop pouches, car assemblers out of all those fabrics, and those fabrics are made out of recycled PET bottles. The biggest question mark of this country, of this universe, what to do with the PET bottles. So there are people who recycle those PET bottles and convert it into fabric. We get those fabrics and we convert it into many products like handbags, carry bags, pouches, grow bags as planters, car assemblers, lot many stuff. They look very elegant and they look superb and they're very sturdy and very tangible.
Great, great. So nice to see varied products. Tell us a little about how you started the company and
Yeah.
how has that journey been as an entrepreneur?
Basically, I started my career with ICC Prudential as I was an MBA graduate from ICFI Hyderabad. So I was placed with iProof, the salesperson for Odisha Bhubaneswar itself. And sooner or later, last year, during this COVID, I got a thing in beside me that how to do sales in online mode, that to insurance sales. Because in India, insurance sales means a cup of tea and coffee and a round table discussion. And what more would you expect in a tier 3 city or tier 2 city like Odisha, right? The people are not that much tech savvy. So at that point of time, I used to get frustrated because numbers not used to fall into place. You keep listening to your bosses and management, so it gives you lots of frustration. So at that point of time, my father asked me to why don't you get into gardening? Why didn't you do some gardening? It will get you some patience. It will be a learning experience for you. So because I'm a very like a very fast person, a very aggressive person. But to slow down myself or my mindset, he asked me to get into gardening. So I started gardening. So while starting gardening last year August, I found out that it's getting difficult for me because the soil gets hardened in the pot, right? So if I'm 28, I'm just 28. If I am facing this problem and if my joints are paining because of digging that tough and strong soil in the pot, then what would be happening with the people who are already 55 and above? Because generally gardening has been done by 55 and above. The mass population I'm talking about who does gardening. So actually my wife is luckily the girl to whom I'm married is a assistant agricultural officer to government of Odisha. So she belongs to the agriculture industry. So I had a discussion with her. Although at that point of time she was staying at her location and I was staying at my different location because of this COVID guidelines we couldn't move and it was a complete work from office for her because she used to deliver her job to government and she was into emergency background. So I asked her that what can I do so that the soil gets softer and lighter. So she suggested me something and we tried to identify it and we developed a manure, organic manure, which is made out of cocoa pit manure. We call cocoa pit manure, and we saw that the pot's weight reduced by 50%. So that is where the journey started. So we started with the amount of around 60 rupees, 65 rupees. We started it. So and I started referring it, selling it to few of my known people. कि आप लोग भी इसको use करो. What difference you feel? This is the same difference that what I feel because it's sometimes when you make something, you will always feel the good side of it. But
Yeah.
when others start
You
using
get
it,
to
they
know
will
the
see the real
real,
picture.
yeah.
Yeah. And to whom I preferred it, they were the hardcore gardeners doing it from past 15, 20 years. So they loved it. They said, nah,
Okay.
it is actually working. So
Okay.
that is where something we thought of, this is something which we need to do. So in the last year, August, September, October, November, we manufactured manure by giving in contract manufacturing stuff. Because it's not possible now you manufacture everything at a single go.
Yeah.
And by taking contact, referral market, we started delivering manure to be at direct homes to the people.
Okay. So that was your
I used
first
to
entrepreneurial experience.
yeah. I take
Okay.
it in my scooty. आगे 40
Hmm.
किलो का बोरा, पीछे 40 किलो का बोरा, and I drive my scooty to people's home and I deliver the manure. Sooner I realized that actually while one of my customers is around 75. So
Mm-hmm.
what happened? I was there at her home that day. While she was getting me her explore towards her rooftop garden, one pot fall down and it broke, and it just broke. The lady
Mm-hmm.
cried, and it really pinched me out. The level of emotion she had with that particular plant.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
suddenly I just came down to home that can we do anything? Like if the pot even falls down, it doesn't break. It doesn't
Mm.
break. So working upon it, we identified there is a product which is called a fabric grow bag. There are two types of grow bags. One is HDPE grow bag, another is
Mm-hmm.
fabric grow bag.
Okay.
So when I identified HDPE grow bag, I got little bit skeptic because those are made out of hardcore plastic.
Mm.
Hardcore plastic. So that was something like I'm making organic manure and I'll be selling this grow bag, not making falling into place. But there is where I found this fabric culture. These fabrics are made out of a recycled PET bottle fabric. So
Okay.
immediately I started I immediately made a buy from Amazon and I started working that from where I can get the best quality of fabric.
Okay.
Then I by doing some Google Baba ke help se I found listed some few manufacturers of those particular fabrics, and finally I had a word with them. Then they sent me the one of the best quality of fabric, and then I started designing the fabric grow bag because there are
Okay.
three benefits in this grow bag. The first benefit was if at all this bag falls down, this is not going to break. So plastic pots may break down, earthen pots may break down, cement pots may break down, but this is not a fabric. This is not going to break off. Kapda
Okay.
nahi tutega. Good. Second thing was that lots of time what happens now, the roots of the plant do not get proper oxygen. If at all it's an earthen pot, after for 1, 2, 3 years it's fine. After 3 years, it start getting covered. So वो humidity उसके अंदर आ जाते हैं pores के अंदर, तो ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं हो पाता है रूट को. एंड प्लास्टिक तो ऑक्सीजन कवर ओपेक होता है तो उसमें ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता. सिर्फ अगर ये एक पॉट है तो सिर्फ ऊपर से ही एयर आ सकता है
Okay.
ये वाले स्पेस पे जहाँ पे प्लांट होगा. तो इसमें वो बेनिफिट था. आज इट वाज अ फैब्रिक, ये कपड़ा था. So the aeration can happen, the oxygen generation, the supply to the root can happen 360 degrees. इधर से भी, ऊपर से भी, नीचे से. So root का
Interesting.
growth अच्छा रहा. That doesn't get आप देखोगे ना, कोई पुराना पॉट आपके अगर घर पे ही होगा, आप उसको निकालोगे अंदर से, पूरा प्लांट को निकालोगे ना, वो रूट से सर्कल हो गया होगा, एनसर्कल हो गया होगा।
Yeah. Yeah.
मगर ये वाले में क्या होता है ना, रूट से फैला हुआ रहता है, so it gets a better enrichment and the supplement to the plant.
Oh, interesting.
That was the second benefit. The third benefit क्या होता है ना, जनरली प्लास्टिक पॉट्स एंड सीमेंट पॉट में ये प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, पानी जो हम लोग देते हैं, पोर करते हैं, बाय नेचर वी ह्यूमंस प्रोवाइड एक्सेस वाटर टू द प्लांट. हाफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इज एनफ इन नॉर्मल डेज. समर में फुल ग्लास इज ओके, बट हम लोग डालते रहते हैं जब तक अपना मन जी ना भरे. तो उसके चलते क्या होता है ना, रूट्स जो मिट्टी के अंदर होते हैं ना, इट स्टार्ट गेटिंग डिके, बस सड़ना शुरू होता है. एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड. सिमिलरली वो रूट्स डिके होना शुरू हो जाता है. मगर ड्यू टू दिस वाज द फैब्रिक पॉट, so excess water will get out automatically out of it.
Okay.
So when these three things fall into places, then we supplied our fabric grow bag to the same set of customers to whom we used to give the manure.
Interesting. It's a long journey of entrepreneurship from experiences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the
So it started falling into place.
Yes. What is the next plan, or where do you want to head towards for Greenovation?
The next plan is quite simple, that by 31st of March 2022, we are going to reveal all our product ranges. That's for sure.
Okay.
We are going to reveal all our product ranges, starting from t-shirts, socks, everything. Might be some of them would be like somewhere like coming soon or something, but we will reveal almost every product will be revealed.
Okay.
And we are expecting that by coming Dussehra, we would be launching our first offline store. Online, so we are already available as www.innovationsonline.com. But offline store would be there very soon at Bhubaneswar by coming Dussehra. On Dussehra, we are aiming on Dussehra to open it out.
Okay.
That is something we are looking into. And by coming 2023 January, we will be launching our franchisee model.
Okay, interesting. So long plans ahead for Greenovation and you. So do you have like a co-founder with you, or you are one-man show running everything?
No, absolutely not. Because I am someone who believes in teamwork, and being a team man, I needed a team. So initially, yes, I was alone. I was doing on this path. But later on, when I realized that now it's a time where, because you cannot bring a team from the beginning, right? Because you have no idea what idea will you give to the team, right?
Yeah.
So until unless you don't have a clarity, it's difficult to make understand people, right? Because anyone who comes in, they will be trusting your name, trusting your virtue, and will be joining you, right? They are not a listed company that they will be joining with your brand name, right?
Yeah.
So one of my friends, Siddhant Das, he joined me as one of my co-founder, and he basically takes care of the financial part, like कहाँ पे खर्चा करना है, कहाँ पे नहीं करना है, and all those stuff, financial parts and growth strategy, he takes care of it, and he looks into that. One of my friend, she's working with me as a freelancer, and she takes care of the digital marketing part.
Okay.
And she, like every Tuesday, we run a campaign on Instagram, and we named it as Greenofax. So she's the person who hosts that video. Basically, in those videos, we share how much ton of plastic paints are wasted in the world and the replacement. Like we come with a problem and a solution together on the same platform in a 2 minutes video to give awareness to the customers and the people of the city.
Okay, this product of yours is so interesting, and it talks about sustainability and eco-friendly, which is what I personally feel the world should move towards too. Do you have any takeaway message for the viewers of the Hustler story?
Yeah, sure. Why not? This is very simple. See, we are into a society where ecosystem. So it's like giveaway time. It's a time to pay back to the nature. Because this, if at all this nature is no more, we are no more today. How many people died because of this COVID and stuff, and lost lack of oxygen, right? Lack of oxygen. And that was the lack of oxygen was the issue. But the bigger issue than that was carbon footprint, the use of carbon products. And most of the plastic, single-use plastic products are the carbon emitted products. So I'm not promoting to buy my products only. There are multiple competitors to me, right? I am just someone where you will find everything of your daily needs. But if at all you are only interested for something which is like a pain or sense, because these small things make a huge difference. If I start putting the numbers of how much quantity of plastic paints are thrown every year, you'd go mad. You would definitely go mad. Forget about comb, straws, bottles. If I talk about simple paints, बिकॉज अभी आज के डेट में क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है 500 रुपए का 600 रुपए का या फिर 300 रुपए का 70 रुपए का प्लास्टिक पेन खरीदने का इज देयर एनी नीड आई डोंट थिंक एब्सोल्युटली कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है बस जॉट डाउन ही करना होता है राइट तो वी कैन गो फॉर अ सिंपल पेपर मेड पेन लिखना ही तो है राइट लिखना ही तो है सो इट्स लाइक दैट वे until unless we don't think about nature why shall nature think about us absolutely it's a clear picture so it should be like that way.
Okay.
You take one step because it's my belief that I started with manure, then planters, fabric planters, but it was somewhere nature or universe helped me out to come down with that big range of products. Because you take one step, nature will take 3 steps for you.
Yeah.
So that is how what happened with me.
Yes, you definitely have had an incredible inspiration and motivation to do this. Thank you so much for doing what you do and chatting with us today. It's been a real pleasure for me to host you. Thank you so much, Ajit.
Thank you and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.